let your things hit. They stare at me like souvenirs. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that
Them jeans, they must be uptight, mama. You need some gift, right, mama? Go Gina, go Gina. Go get that gift, right, mama? Go Gina, go Gina. Go till you give, right, mama? I belong to nobody, hope it don't bother you. You can mind your business. I belong to nobody, try not to disturb. I'm a business.
Hey, I'm Jasquinae, and we lit this motherfucking way. What's up, the gang? I'm Jasquinae, like I always say, we lit this way. You know what you see, the proof is in the pudding, girl, I gotta explain. Anywho, as y'all can see by the title, today we are doing a hair vlog. And if y'all want to see how your girl achieved this look, this you know, cute little look, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you will not miss it. And leave a thumbs up, y'all. Leave a like. It is not hard to leave a like. Leaving a like is how your girl videos get pushed out by YouTube. Like, give your girl some help. But anywho's, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you not miss a video when your girl upload. Anywho's, I ain't gonna run too much longer. Y'all can get into the video.
Look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they were blind. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it that high. Hey. 4L steps, he ain't stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, 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 yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frank. Purr. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spine. Let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since he signed. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, how was they your ops and none of them died? Hold up, 21, hold up, 21, hold up, 21. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant must've went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Yeah. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head from far. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. Oh God, how you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a diss and see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. She say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Oh send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and front.
No, 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 let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frank. Purr. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spine. Let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since he signed. Let's do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Touch. Can you play that again?
Beat that up. 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 That
Got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth.
God, can you play that
When we
again?
fuck my pussy talk, cause I got another nigga that's gon' do it. They call me light up. Too bad, bitch too good. When you say fuck me, I tell them fuck me good. Check these niggas, I wish I would. Bad bitch like me, hoes wish they pass that me. I need pass that cock, and I'm all that body shit pass that me. You ain't fighting him right, bitch, pass that me. When we fuck my pussy talk.
Watching it